What are you talking about? Hi, Thinkers. Hi, Thinkers. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to talk to Daddy? Can you talk to Daddy? No. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, that's a sad story. Can you tell me a happy story? Can you tell me a happy story? Huh? Come on. Yeah. Is that your happy story? Yeah. 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 Oh, really? That's exciting. Wow. What else? Huh? You got anything else to say? Oh, yeah? Yeah. Anything else? You want to finish your story? You want to finish? Oh, good job. That was a good ending. Good job.